So I'm Daniil, I'm studying the Professional Cookery Level 2, and originally I moved from Ukraine 2.5 years ago. I moved to Thurso. So cooking been my hobby for many years, and since I started the course, I had the opportunity to work in a kitchen in a local restaurant, and I had a chance to work in a more professional atmosphere and to find out do I like it or not. You cook a lot of things in college. It's a huge range, starting from bakery, meat, fish, anything. You will do a lot of new things to you and find out a lot of skills that you can use. If me or any other of our classmates need help, we are free to ask our lecturers. They're very friendly. They like to help. They like what they do, and they're very supportive. Yeah. So on my course, every Thursday we have the restaurant, which is very nice. Serve people in a restaurant because it gives you more like a feeling that you're working with people. You're working with a front house. So we have two classes, kitchen and the front house guys, and it brings more communication and teamwork in the kitchen sphere. And I think the capability, like ability to communicate in the kitchens and between front house and kitchen is very important. Soon that I started, through my learning, I found out that for me, baking and anything connected with pastries are much more interesting than working with anything else. So after completing the course, I had a couple options. I was thinking to take level 3 and to take a teacher's diploma as well, which will give me an opportunity to teach the cookery, things what I like, and share my knowledge, my experience with other people, kids, who might be enjoyed or encouraged in cooking, or they just like me, they've been confused, do they want to do it or not.